Tēnā koutou I te whānau, ko Rilee Nipia Owens ahau, no tūwharetoa, te Ate Haunui a Paparangi, Ngāti Whātua, Ngāi Tāhu, me te ao Pākehā o ka tīpuna e mihi ana ki a koutou. Kei Pertho I noho ana ki ahi te reria, nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa. I started my journey here learning te reo with the Immersion course, and for someone like me that finds it hard to learn new things and remember stuff, I found the environment to be really, really supportive and encouraging, and it was also fun as well, and that's what I really enjoyed about it. And being over here in Australia, it's really important for me to be able to pass the knowledge on to my tamariki and also my whānau who also don't know the reo. So this year I got the EPapa Bundle as well after my immersion course, and it's just full of so much resources that I can use for my own learning, but also to help my children. And as an artist as well, you wouldn't think, but learning the language has really kind of helped me to inject my culture into my art. So that's been really good as well. It kind of broadens everything when you learn a language, and I'm really glad that I found this place, even though I'm over here and I don't really get to join much Zoom lessons and I'm just learning through the EPapa Bundle at the moment. I still feel, and I know I have this full support of Te Umuariki and the other students that I met in my course. So thank you, ngā mihi, and I hope to see you soon. He whakatauki. Waia te mātauranga hei oranga mō koutou, which is a whakatauki about seeking knowledge for your well-being, and that's really what it's been about, and I feel really good learning, especially here as well. So hope to see you soon. Kia ora.